his eyes, and so I know you've got his curse. She said, try and be strong, kid, you know it could be worse. Life's gotta come from somewhere, maybe just Babylon. Go there, find your answers, please, just don't be gone too long. Throw the bowl of blood to the ground, forget about the ruins of time. You used to always be homebound, but I guess you changed your mind. Took the death of your daughter to put you on the right path. They said you even found Jesus Christ, but only after seeing God's wrath. Everyone threw a present to your daughter's grave after saying a prayer, but I saw her walking around that dead town. Let's hope she gets out of there. So a stone tablet is all that marks your daughter's life. You'll never forget the smell of the storm that took her that night. You tried to prepare yesterday, but that black blizzard came too quick. It turned the daylight into dark, and your daughter, she drowned